Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is a postcard and I'm working on craft cardstock. To begin with, I'm adding some colours to the edges of the postcard, and for this I've selected two different shades of Distress Oxide ink. Now I've chosen an egg image from a Tim Holtz set called Blueprint Easter. I'm stamping this directly onto my postcard using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and then I stamp two separate images onto an additional piece of craft cardstock. To add colour to my images, I've chosen to use Prisma Premier pencils, and once I've added colour to the image that's stamped onto the postcard, I colour the other two and cut those out. Now I'm taking a Posca paint pen in white, and I'm using this to add some highlights and details to the eggs. Next, I'm taking a piece of lightweight cardstock. I'm adding some washi tape to this so that I can die cut a scallop border, which I'm going to add to embellish the postcard. Before I do that, however, I need to adhere the eggs that I cut out, and for that I'm using some soft gel medium. To add some sparkle to the piece, I've chosen to use some Ranger Stickles. This is the colour Stardust, and I add this over different parts of all of the eggs. As a final step, I'm taking some Distress Oxide ink in Worn Lipstick, and I'm using this with two different stamps from the Itty Bitty Backgrounds set by Stampin' Up. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, I do appreciate it when you hit the like button. If you'd like a full product list, you'll find that in the video description, and you'll also find my social media links there, including details of my Facebook Mixed Media Challenge group.